What is retrogression? Imagine waiting in a long line for something you really want. You've been waiting patiently, watching the line move forward. Suddenly, the line stops moving, and you're stuck. That's what retrogression feels like in US immigration. It's a frustrating situation where the process of getting a green card comes to a standstill. This happens when there are more people applying for green cards than there are visas available in a specific category. The US government sets limits on how many green cards they give out each year, and in some categories the demand is much higher than the supply. This means that even if you're eligible for a green card, you might have to wait longer if your category is oversubscribed. It's like being stuck in immigration limbo, which can be stressful and uncertain. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into a specific category called EB-3 and how retrogression affects it. The EB-3 category is a path for skilled workers, professionals, and other workers to get a green card and live permanently in the United States. Think of it as a special line for people with specific skills and job offers. To qualify for EB-3, you generally need a job offer from a US employer, and your employer must sponsor you. The EB-3 category is further divided into three subgroups: skilled workers, professionals, and other workers. Skilled workers are those with at least 2 years of experience in a specific job. Professionals have a bachelor's degree, and other workers are those with less than 2 years of experience in a job that is in high demand in the US. Retrogression in the EB-3 category happens when there are more applications than visas available in a given year. This is like having a bottleneck effect, where the demand exceeds the supply. Imagine a funnel with a lot of liquid being poured in, but the opening at the bottom is too small to let it all through at once. When this happens, the US Department of State, which manages visa issuance, creates cutoff dates based on the applicant's priority date. Your priority date is usually the date your employer filed your labor certification or petition with the government. The cutoff dates determine who can move forward with their green card application. If your priority date is earlier than the cutoff date, you can continue your application process. However, if your priority date is after the cutoff date, you have to wait until your date becomes current. Retrogression can have significant impacts on individuals waiting for their green cards in the EB-3 category. It can lead to years of uncertainty and delays in obtaining permanent residency. Imagine having your life on hold, unable to make long-term plans or fully settle in the US. For example, let's say John, a software engineer from India, applied for an EB-3 green card in 2022. Due to retrogression, the cutoff date for Indian nationals in the EB-3 category is in 2012. This means John has to wait for at least 10 years before his application can be processed. During this waiting period, John might face difficulties in traveling, changing jobs, or sponsoring family members to join him in the US. This can be emotionally draining and financially burdensome. Understanding retrogression is crucial for anyone applying in the EB-3 category to be prepared for potential delays and make informed decisions about their future.